In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Google Cloud Storage using the Web Console, which is the most user-friendly approach, especially if you're aiming for quick and manual uploads. This method is perfect for those who prefer to accomplish tasks directly from their browser without diving into more complex upload methods or using code. It's straightforward and ideal for one-off or light usage uploads. To begin, you'll first need to sign in to your Google Cloud Console. If you don't have a Google Cloud account yet, you'll need to set one up before proceeding. Once you're signed in, the next step is to navigate to the Storage section in your console. You'll do this by finding and clicking on Storage in the left-hand menu, and from there, select Browser. This will bring up a list of your existing buckets. Buckets in Google Cloud Storage serve as containers for your data. They allow you to organize and manage your storage space logically. If you already have a bucket you want to use, simply click on it to open. If not, you might want to click the option to create a new bucket. This will walk you through a few simple steps where you can specify the storage details such as name, location, and access permissions. Once you're in the right bucket, uploading files can be done in two easy ways. First, you can simply drag and drop your files directly into the bucket pane. This method is convenient and works very smoothly for individual files. If you're using Google Chrome, there's an added benefit. You can drag and drop entire folders directly into the bucket pane, allowing for even faster uploads without needing to select files one by one. Alternatively, for those who prefer a more traditional approach, look for the Upload Files or Upload Folder button inside the bucket pane. Clicking on these buttons will open a File Explorer window that lets you select files or entire folders from your device to upload. Whether you drag and drop or use the upload buttons, Google Cloud Storage will handle the rest, uploading your files right to the cloud. It's important to note that to perform uploads, your Google account must have a specific role assigned, namely the role's storage.objectUser role. This permission ensures you can add files to your bucket. Additionally, if you want to view the contents of your bucket and manage them via the console, consider obtaining the role's storage.admin role. This will give you comprehensive access to your bucket's contents and settings, ensuring you can manage your files efficiently and effectively. And that's it. You now have the necessary know-how to perform quick and efficient manual uploads to Google Cloud Storage through its web console. Feel free to explore more of what Google Cloud offers or reach out for support if you encounter any issues along the way. Thanks for watching, and happy uploading.